Hello, welcome to eAthyan. Today in this video we'll discuss about cold roll low carbon steel, seats and strips, its specification and various properties. Friends, basically these cold roll sheets are classified and into different grades. There are basically four different grades into which it has been classified. So the first grade is O for ordinary quality. Then second is D for drawing quality. Third one is DD for deep drawing quality. And fourth is EDD, that is extra deep drawing quality. So basically this classification based on the use, that means the sheet which is going to be used for deep drawing process, that is DD, and it has been specifically classified DD or EDD because it can be easily drawn for the deep drawing process. O ordinary quality cannot be deep drawn. It will generate a crack and fail if we want to deep drawn. So it depends which class to be selected or which grade to be selected based on the processes, or you can say manufacturing processes used to manufacture the final product. So these all four categories are defined based on the manufacturing process. So the seed of O grade may be supplied in any of the following this temper category, and seed and strip with D, DT or EDD grade shall be supplied in NL skill pass condition. So here you can see temper designation H, that means hard, is produced by heavy cold rolling. Then one half H, that is half hard, and quarter hard, that is produced by cold rolling, followed by annealing and further cold rolling to give strip of intermediate hardness. So you can see here we have different hardness also available for the ordinary grade. Then SP is the skin pass that is produced by light cold rolling after annealing. Then A means anneal, that is produced by final annealing process. So these are for O grade, and for DTT and EDD can be supplied with skin pass condition and analysis last two. Then chemical composition for ordinary grade is carbon is 0.15, manganese is 0.6%, sulfur is 0.055, and phosphorus is 0.055. Similarly, here you can see drawing D has even lower carbon 0.12 and manganese also lower 0.5, sulfur 0.04, phosphorus 0.04. So here you can see this chemical is getting decreasing for deep drawing quality and extra deep drawing quality. So these are basically used for drawing components. Then for mechanical properties for ordinary grade, we have hardness HRB and HRB have separate table. For drawing quality D, we have 270 to 410 tensile strength in MPa megapascal. Then yield stress is also in MPa max 280. Elongation percentage on gauge length is 23. Here you can see percentage elongation getting increased for the deep drawing and extra deep drawing quality. So here you can see for deep drawing quality also the tensile strength is 270 to 370. Here the maximum tensile strength is getting reduced as we go for deep drawing quality and extra deep drawing quality. Also, yield stress is getting reduced. For DD it is 250 and in EDD it is 220. And here you can see percentage elongation getting increased 26 to 32. And similarly, hardness will get reduced as it will allow drawing of the metal. So here you can see hardness reduced to 57 HRB and HR 55. Here it is 54 EDT. Then we have tolerance on the width of the seat. So for width of the seat up to 1250 mm, we have tolerance of plus 7 mm and minus 0. For above 1250 mm seat width, we have plus 10 mm tolerance and minus zero point 0 mm tolerance. In case of coil with mill edges, variation in the width shall not be more than plus 30 mm to minus 0 mm. That means 0 to 30 mm. It should be in between 0 to 30 mm. It should not be more than this or should not fall out of this limit range. So these tolerances are basically for the standard seats of CRC which we will get from the manufacturer. Then we have tolerance on the length of the seat. So we have different sizes of the seats, and for that we have seen the width. Now for the tolerance on the length side, we have seat length up to 2000 mm. For that tolerance would be plus 15 mm and minus 0. So it should be between 0 to 15 mm. It should not fall outside that range. And for above 2000 mm, it should be 0.75% of the length or minus 0. So it should fall between 0 and 0.75% of the length. So length could be 3000, 4000, or 5000. So it can be cut from the roll. So length can be of any number. So in that case, we have to multiply or 0.75% of the length. So that will give you the final figure of the higher side tolerance. So tolerance is between 0 to 0.75% of the length, and length should not fall outside this range. Friends, I hope you will like this video. Thank you very much and happy learning.